In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce fidelity. Let's break it down step by step to make sure you get it just right. First, let's focus on the first syllable, fi. You want to pronounce it like the fi in the word fit. Keep it short and crisp. This sets the stage for the rest of the word, helping you start off strong and with confidence. Now let's move to the second syllable, del. This is the stressed syllable, meaning you should emphasize it more than the others. Think of it like the word del, as in delete. The emphasis here is crucial because it gives the word its proper rhythm. Remember, stressing the right syllable ensures clarity and makes your pronunciation sound natural. Next up is the sound. It's soft and subtle, almost like a gentle exhale. It's important to keep this sound light to maintain the flow. Overemphasizing it could disrupt the balance of the word. This little step is key to keeping your pronunciation smooth. Finally, we have T, which sounds like the letter T. It's a clean and clear ending to the word. Make sure it's distinct but not too sharp. This helps the word finish neatly, leaving a clear impression. Once you've put it all together, it sounds like this: fidelity. Take a moment to repeat it a few times, paying attention to the stressed syllable DL. Practice is your best friend here. The more you repeat, the more natural it will become. Let's go over it again for clarity. Start with fi as in fit, move on to the stressed del, then softly say and end with t. Each part flows into the next, creating a seamless pronunciation. A quick tip to remember is to focus on the stress of the second syllable. Emphasizing del helps anchor the word, making it sound right. This focus on stress is important because it guides the listener in understanding the word correctly. Now, if you're practicing with someone else, listen to how they pronounce it. Compare it with your own pronunciation. This can provide valuable feedback and help you identify any areas that need adjustment. Listening to others can offer new insights and enhance your learning process. As you continue to practice, try saying the word in different sentences. This will help you get comfortable using it in everyday conversation. Practice in context helps solidify your learning and boosts your confidence in using the word naturally. If you ever feel unsure, just go back to the basics. Break down the word into its individual syllables and focus on the stress. This methodical approach ensures that you can always find your way back to the correct pronunciation. And there you have it, a clear and confident way to pronounce fidelity. With these tips and insights, you should now feel more assured in saying the word. Keep practicing, and soon it will roll off your tongue with ease. Thank you for joining me today. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next video.